Your safety whilst using the rides at the park is our top priority. Maximum of 3 adults and 2 children. 4 adults only. You must remain seated and do not change your seat position. Keep your hands and arms inside the balloon at all times.
Woohoo! Look how high we're going!
Get ready. We're gonna spin around too.
Oh, look at the penguin.
Ah, look, penguins!
Wow! Woohoo!
Wait, that's probably right.
Wow!
I'll just leave it there if it's not spinning.
We're spinning around. Beep beep. You're driving Daddy Pig's car. Press the red button, right? Oh, you press the red button. Yeah,
No, it's fine. Yeah. You don't even need to point it at him, you just hold it flat.
No! What is it, 360?
Yeah.
No!
Whoa, you're going up!
It's so good.
This is slow.
Is that fun?
Yeah. This is slow.
After the thingy ride down on the chest down the water, I should just have it on me. I'll just flick it on and off whenever I need it then. Oh, is he gonna go? Washed right by Felix on the railing. Oh, you scared?
He wants to.
And his friend walks over and hits him in.
Oh.
Yay!
And the other one, is he going to go in?
Yeah.
Should we go down by there and see them?
Hang on. Isn't it funny how they tuck their legs right back? They look like seals, don't they? Like kind of...
Hello!
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 Hello, penguin. Oh, he's looking.
See you!
Can he see you?
Oh, no.
There we go, a little spin.
This is good. Are we in the sky? Clouds. Big.
Say bye, Mummy. Wave bye. Bye, Mummy. Wow, look at the corn.
3, 2, 1.
Get ready. Woohoo! Whee! Whee! You ready? Excited. Wave to the man. Say bye. Here we go. Is it funny? Is that funny? Again? Again?
Yeah.
Yeah? Let's go again, ready? Up we go! Oh, whee! That's it now. We're going another one now. Okay.
Adults accompanying small children will sit next to them. You must ensure all loose articles are left with enough room.
I'm scared we're just gonna spin
The
then.
storage boxes provided.
Brother. Uh-huh. Uh-oh. I'm scared. Ah, we didn't finish you and that your mum did then.
Thank God.
Yours and mum went crazy. Ours is fine.
Woo! I'm in We haven't spun.
No.
Aww.
Aww.
Oh man.
Oh, I am still, my eyes are still going there. It's a good idea.
Okay, here we go, guys.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's a see, click how many people have been on the ride on the day. Back. Woo!
Feels different.
Yeah. We'll go back. Ready, turn around then. Whoa. Ah, no. Quick, let's try again. Ah, no, climb up the rope instead. And up the rope. And then along the rickety bridge. Oh, oh, rickety bridge. Go on then. Stop and wave to Daddy. Wave to Daddy. Felix, can you wave? No. Oh, oh. Oh, and then he's gonna go down the slide. 3, 2, 1, back. Count to 20.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's go! Hold on tight.